This is LeetCode problem number 11, a medium difficulty problem called container with most water. You're given an integer array as the input, and envision that this array is plotted onto a graph, a bar graph, where the x-axis is your index position and the y-axis is the integer given in your array. And you envision that these graphs are considered walls, and what you're trying to find is a point in between two of these indexes that will allow you to capture the most area, aka fill it the most with water. In this case, you have a bar graph that has 8. That's how high the wall is. It's at the index position 1, and then you have 7 all the way at the last index position. So you take the shorter of the two walls, you multiply it by the distance between the indexes, and there you have the highest area possible in this array. So we're going to jump over to VS Code and go over the two-pointer solution that I have, and just make note I have the solution result in the right. 92% beats that in time complexity, and then 67-ish% for the space complexity. So the problem is relatively simple. I'm setting x and y as the left and the right hand side of the indexes by using 0 index position for the first and then the length -1 for the last index position. I have a bit of, smaller input sizes are just going to return here. I'm setting the highest, or you can use max underscore area. And then here, while x does not equal y, you could also put in while x is less than y. That might result in one less iteration. And here I have calc, and it's calculating again the height, taking the minimum bar graph value in the integer array and then multiplying it by the distance between their indexes. And then if the calculation for the new value or new position is higher than the highest, then I'm replacing that value. And then here is the crux of the two-pointer. What you're doing here is you want to just move the shorter of the two walls, and the reason behind this is just the index plays a large role in the amount of volume you can have between the walls. And so you only want to move the position on either the left or the right to a taller wall, and so that's all you're trying to look for, is a taller wall. And then as they get closer together, you might find there's an immensely tall wall that overpowers or overshadows the other areas calculated. But this is a way to calculate it outwards towards the center of the array, and is the fastest way to solve this problem. So hopefully that was informative. Join me next time.